Welcome to part 9 in this series of our DS160 guide. Okay, you're now past the most difficult sections of the DS160, so relax and enjoy the rest of this series. From here on out, it should be plain sailing. In this section, we're going to take a close look at who will be working in the business, starting with you, the key investor. Review the completed sections below for your guidance. Applicant's present position. In this case, you will see the drop down with the options as to the type of applicant. Make sure you select Principal Owner Investor Trader. The remainder of the information required pertains to your present position and duties in your home country. Here, immigration is looking to gain an understanding as to how your present background and abilities compares with the business you are looking to run. Oftentimes, some of our clients choose a completely different field from what they had been doing. In this case, our client was a successful lawyer in the UK who decided he just needed a radical change. Our client wanted to open up a beauty salon and then build a chain of them. Immigration would be fine with this as long as the business plan articulated a clear path as to how our client would gain the required training and licensing in order to be successful. Applicant's position in the US. Okay, now we're back to answering questions about your role in the business. Typically, your title will be manager, and you will need to describe your duties accordingly. Immigration will want to know that you will be devoting your time to running the business successfully. The more remote you appear to be, the more likely your application will run into approving difficulties. Therefore, you need to demonstrate that you will be the one who will be actually executively managing the business. That is, setting goals and targets, etc. Even if your business will have other subordinate managers, you must make it clear that you will personally have the ultimate responsibility for the business's success or failure. The question, are you replacing a worker already in the US, will most likely be no, since in this illustration, you are the new investor seeking to take over or purchase a business. This question is referring to a situation where the alien already owns a US business and has foreign workers in place, and is currently wanting to replace one or more of them in this application. With regards to the question as to whether this application is based on the continuance of existing employment, the answer will again be no, since you will be the one leaving your home country to head up this new business. Contact information. In this section, the embassy requires two contacts. Firstly, the owner of the business, which is you, and secondly, the law firm representing you, which of course is us. Temporary work visa information. This section is basically seeking confirmation as to where you, as the E2 visa investor, will be working. You will notice that they have asked for your e-visa company registration number. What they are really asking for is the incorporation number for your company. As you know, in order to be an E2 visa applicant, you have to incorporate. and it's your newly formed company that buys the business for you, with you as the director, owner. Below is an extract of a company's Articles of Organization, also called Articles of Incorporation. You will notice in the top right section of this form is the company's entity number. This is the number the embassy is referring to. Not all articles look the same, but they all have entity or registration numbers. Congratulations, you're through the E2 visa portion of this form. In the next presentation, we'll walk you through uploading your passport picture for your case.